Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about downloading one of the most talked about analytics workbench called KNIME. Okay, so I will talk more about KNIME in the later on videos, but here is how to download this particular file. So we go to knime.com/download. We need to fill in some basic information about your email ID, your name, your country, your role, and then we need to click the download option. Okay, so I have a Windows, so I have installed KNIME Analytics platform for Windows. I have downloaded a 481 file. It's already downloaded. And we have for Mac and Linux as well. So we just need to download the installer file. The installer file is downloaded for me here. I will just, so this is the file that is there. It's around 481 MB. So I am going to just double click it. And just like any other software, we have the license agreement. We give the location where this particular file has to be stored. As you see, it is around 855 MB. Space is required. So make sure that you have some space so that KNIME runs successfully. Just follow up the window bars that are there and just read it. So I would suggest you to keep the default settings, default options that is there, which will help you in the complete functionality of KNIME. Okay, the space that it requires, I have some space in my hard disk, so whatever default it is giving, I'm just going ahead with it and just clicking next, and then finally I click and install. As you can see, the KNIME is getting installed and ready for use in some time. Till it is getting installed, this is one of the analytics workbench that is open source and talked about with a very strong community focus. This is one of the no code or low code methods to do model building and ML ops, which I will be talking in my subsequent videos. Lately, in an interview, I was asked about this particular platform, KNIME, and I have just started learning KNIME, and I will share the journey of this particular tool with you as well. So now we can see that KNIME is installed. I am opening it to show you the first look of this particular tool. And one more thing, I am going to use normal Titanic and Iris data to do some space scripts, modeling steps, the basic modeling steps that we do in any project, data science project. So the data cleaning, the data exploration, the data missing value treatment, and all those steps, we will see one by one how to approach a data science project, a data science model using the power of KNIME without doing any code in KNIME. We can able to see how we can do quick model building, quick EDAs. So as you can see the screen, it opens up. You can see there are a lot of windows that are there. Please have a look at the windows, read some of the FAQs. There are some default repositories that are already pre-installed from the KNIME platform, but I will suggest you to also download the open source trees, which will really help you in a lot of data exploration. I will talk more about uh, that in our next videos. This video was just to give a quick view of how to download KNIME, how it looks, and how easy it is for you to start with this wonderful software. See you in the next videos. Please follow me on YouTube to get more updates of the new videos on the KNIME series, and keep learning. Thank you. Bye bye.